Y'all, it looks like spring's here. So that means we're going to be going outside more. We're going to be cooking on the grill and having folks over. So I love side dishes. I love easy side dishes that I can just, put in the oven and be there. And so I'm going to make a creamy shredded hash brown casserole. And I got some of my disposable pans out because this makes a lot. So I'm going to put some in these and freeze them. So the next time it'll be done, all I have to do is pull them out because this freezes well. But you top it with crushed potato chips. So if you go freeze it, leave off the potato chips until you're ready to cook it. So I'm going to start with a little bit of butter. And I'm going to saute these onions some. And I've got cheddar jack cheese. I got the shredded hash browns. I've got sour cream. I've got a can of cream of celery soup, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So it's easy. It's easy. So I'm just going to start dumping. It called for this whole 30-ounce bag of hash browns. So that's what I say. It's going to make a lot, y'all. But that's all right. I'll be so happy when Michael said, let's have the kids for dinner. Okay, I got something I can pull out for a side dish. What kind of meat you going to cook them? All right. So I'm just going to stir this all together. I mean, it's just so easy. Ooh, this is some creamy sour cream. Sometimes that'll be real milky. And I kind of like it that way. All right, let's see. That get my little pooper scooper out for my cream of celery. Jamie shot a video this morning for y'all. And oh my gosh, the dish that he made looks so good. And I bet that's one that you could divide because it made a lot. And I bet that's one that you can freeze. You think? I'm not sure what all he had in it.
It was a chicken poppy seed.
Looks so good. Okay, my garlic powder, my pepper, and my sauce. And my pan's getting hot, so you go ahead and throw my onions in there, just for a couple of minutes. Kind of get the raw taste out of them. Move that out of the way. So, I always love hearing from y'all. Oh, I know what I wanted to show y'all. The cutest thing in the world, and it has made me laugh so many times since Christmas. Ashley and Anthony, some of our children, Michael's son and my son now, gave us the neatest Christmas gift. So cute. And we had to take some of my pretty blue willow plates down and things like that because I just have to put these where you can see them. Y'all come around here, let me show you. Ashley has got such a great imagination. Look, there's Max at the spa. Here's Lulu having coffee out of my coffee cup that I have coffee out of every morning. And Gus grabbed one of his Papa's cigars, so he's having a cigar. Are those not so cute? And listen, she had them done at the drugstore. So, look at this one. This is a fried chicken picture. How precious is that? Precious. Oh, I love my babies. Look, Gus looks like he's so sad because he thinks he should have all 3 of those legs instead of just one. Oh, they're so sweet when they're not being bad. Okay, so these are sauteed. I'm so glad I thought to show y'all that because I thought that was a wonderful gift idea for people that have pets and are really part of the family. Okay, those are good. So I'm going to stir this all together while we're waiting on our onions. Okay, our onions are ready, y'all. And let's see, I think I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese first because those hot onions will help melt that cheese in there, right?
Yes. Yum, yum.
Mm-hmm. You can't go wrong with a tater and cheese and sour cream. All right, here we go. Get every bit of that good old butter in that casserole. What you got, Lulu? You happy? All right. You know what? I think I may freeze all of these. Today is one of our grandson's birthday. It's John's birthday, and he's turning 13. So we're going out to dinner tonight. He wants to go have pizza at his favorite pizza joint. So I think I'm just going to freeze all of this until I really need it. And it's going to be so wonderful to just pull this out of the freezer. Okay, I was able to get 3 meals out of this casserole. That's wonderful. Okay. That one might be a little short. Okay, so ain't that great? To get ahead.
And then since you're not cooking them off, Paula, can you tell everybody what they would do when they're ready to cook it?
Yes, when you're ready to cook them, take them out and set them on the counter and, let them thaw some. And then put them in like a 350-degree oven for... Now, the original recipe for all of this at one time, I think, is like 45 minutes. So in this size, maybe 25, 30 minutes, till it's nice and hot and melty. And that one looks a little short. I could stand up here all day making sure they're the same size. So
we're not selling them, so nobody's getting cheated.
No. Yeah, right. So it's 350 degrees. Like I said, take them out, let them thaw. And you may want to cook them a few minutes before you put the potato chips on because there's a good chance it's going to be still real, real cold from being in the freezer. So, and you don't want burnt chips. Yay for us. I'm thinking ahead. Which is, I don't do that often, y'all. So, loving best dishes to y'all. I think you'll like this one. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.